Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be covering backup of Prism Central to Nutanix Objects, introduced in Prism Central 7.3. Today, Prism Central backups support Prism Element and AWS S3 buckets as backup targets. However, many customers have asked for the ability to use Nutanix Objects as a backup destination, as it offers better integration within the Nutanix ecosystem and more flexibility for managing storage. With Prism Central 7.3, we've added support for point-in-time backup to Nutanix objects. This includes the ability to configure RPO directly through the user interface, and it's also supported via v4 APIs. To configure backups from the Prism Central UX, navigate to Prism Central Settings and select Prism Central Backups. Next, choose the point-in-time backup option and select Nutanix Objects as the backup target. You'll then enter the necessary details, including IP address, host name, bucket name, optional certificate, access key, and secret key. Then, select the desired restore point objective, RPO, in hours, giving you control over how frequently backups are created. On Prism Central, there's a database called Insights Data Fabric, or IDF, that stores configuration, periodic performance, and metric data from various components and services of the infrastructure. Once the user configures the backup target details, including the bucket details, any required object store certificates, and the desired backup interval, the IDF database will be replicated at the defined RPO interval as a file to the defined Nutanix Objects bucket. This feature enables users to set up point-in-time backups of Prism Central to Nutanix Objects. It's accessible through the intuitive Prism Central interface, making it easy to configure, and also supports v4 APIs for those who prefer automation or need to integrate backup workflows into their existing systems. Thanks for watching this new stuff on Prism Central Backup to Nutanix Objects as part of NCI Release 7.3.